Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Thrivecart. So before we go further, obviously we need to understand what is Thrivecart and actually what is Thrivecart used for. So in a nutshell, Thrivecart is a software that helps you to promote and take payments from for your physical products or digital products or subscriptions and the services you are providing to your customers. So the point is it legit? So in honest opinion, like Thrivecart is a fantastic cart solution, and with all the features you need to sell products online, because the features they are providing is very unique and different from others. So how much does this Thrivecart cost? So if we click on over here, get my lifetime account now, it will take you over here and you can see that Thrivecart lifetime account cost $500, and for the upgrade for a little bit time you can just go ahead and click on $195. If you want to do that, you can do that too. So you can just proceed to check out if you want. And for this tutorial, like for everything I'm going to explain to you, I'm just going to keep this page open because this page have already been edited on Thrivecart also, because this is, I can see that this is all have been made on Thrivecart. So next thing is, so right now we need to understand that before creating sales card you just need to add product, obviously. Otherwise what are you going to sell on the sale card, right? So you to create product, once you have signed in and choose your plan accordingly, you will end up over here on this dashboard. And what you can do, just click on create product. Obviously you need to tell Thrivecart that your product is digitally optimized, or obviously you need to tell Thrivecart that your product is digitally or physically. So for this tutorial we are going with like digital, otherwise both options are very similar. We just need to tell the Thrivecart that it is physical or it is like digital. So just choose accordingly and you will end up over here. So you can see you just need to name the product, like product name. You can just label it if you want. You can check out page URL, you can also add that. You can set the product status if you want to do that, you can also do that, because obviously you can disable it for a time, for a like for some time, and you can just activate it if you want. And we have picked the owner of the product, so who would be the product owner, obviously. So it would be us, and if you click on it, you will end up getting your name right down below. After that you need to add your pricing for your product. You can calculate sale tax automatically if you want. And the third option is, do you want to customize your customers invoice? So you can just create an invoice. If you want to do that, you can also do that too. Next thing is bump. So what is bump actually? So I have shown you the plan for Thrivecart. The plan I have shown you, and the special one-time offer they are providing, that is called bump. So we can also give that to our customers. And the next option is processors. And what is processor? If we click on setup processors from over here, these are payment methods, like what payment methods you are allowing that from your customers, and what accounts the fund should go into. So it can be like Stripe and PayPal and different options out there which you can see once you have signed in. And otherwise you can just go ahead and google it, and the simple is like that. So it's very simple. You just need to add your account details, so whatever people are going to purchase from you, they will end up getting like this account processing method which you have set for them. After that you just need to add like supported URL or email, and what should happen after purchase, like display their total invoice, which we were talking about. Like we can also add it invoice if we want to. And you can just go ahead and click on next and you will end up over checkout. And here we are going to select the sale card. As you can see on the third option we have sales card. Otherwise you have multiple options out there also, like multi-step, single step, embeddable and pop-up, but we are not going to do that. Obviously we are going with the sales card. So once you click on sales card and click on next, you will end up over here. And you can see on the left side we have page options, we have customer and payment options. At the middle we have obviously we talked about the bump offers which we can provide to our customers. And on the right side we have elements. So these elements and the things which we are seeing right now are very important actually. So you can add things from the right side, and if you want to add like a heading, just click on the heading from the right side and just drag it out and drop it on the page. That's how you are going to add things, and you can edit their name, and even you can add images and videos. And the bump option which you can see on the right side, obviously you can edit them also. And on the left side you have options. So what is options? So if we are going to edit something, like if we edit some like image, so we just need to drag it, right? So click on the right side on the panel and drag it out over here on the page. And on the from the left side you can set the details and information for accordingly to your image. Just click on image and you will find a like different options and different properties for accordingly to your images, like what you need to upload and what are you going to upload and how would be the size of it, and different things which you can do that. So this is how you are going to create your Thrive card, sales card options actually. And once you have done, you can see that we have also a success page on the top, and you can also add that too. And what is success page? If someone's going to like click on your bump and end up giving you money and buying your product, so what happened, like that success page will tell them that yes, it has been paid and thank you for purchasing and blah, blah, like etc etc. So you can do that too. So the perfect example for Thrivecart is this one, which I have already shown you in the starting. And as you can see, this is the bump they have already added here, and they have added this proceed to checkout, which we were talking about. And we have like included in pro version, we will get powerful affiliate center, subscription saver functionality, automatic sales tax, and intelligent business projection. And there are multiples more over here which you can see. We have reviews over here which you can see. And that's it. This is all you need to know about Thrivecart, how you are going to create a sales card over here, and what is the best example of the sales card which I have also shown you. So that's it. This is all you need to know about it. And thank you for watching this video. If you need any queries and any questions, so you can just ask them right down below. And please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.